answer me right now! He was just holding my hand 30 seconds ago while waiting.
Emma, where is your little brother? Did he walk away? Leo? Leo, I cannot see him anywhere in this big crowd.
Excuse me, did anyone see a little boy with a dinosaur shirt? Nobody is answering me, and everyone just keeps walking by quickly. Leo, this is not a funny game. Come out right now! Mom, Dad, he is gone. I really cannot find him anywhere.
Oh no, this cannot be happening. Where could my sweet baby go?
Stay right here with your mother. I will check the main pathway.
Attention park guests. A young 6-year-old boy in blue has been reported missing.
This is all my fault. Because I let go of his hand.
Wait, look over there underneath that wooden bench near the coaster.
This is Leo's backpack. Why would he leave it on the floor?
His favorite dinosaur is inside, and he never leaves this toy behind.
Why is the backpack wet when the sun is shining so brightly?
Look at these tiny, muddy footprints heading toward the metal fence.
Someone must have taken him away while nobody was looking at us.
Emma, do not panic and stay close to Mom while we search. Hello, I am Officer Ryan. Please tell me what happened here.
He is 6 years old, wearing red sneakers and khaki shorts.
Earlier today, Leo told me he saw a secret door behind the coaster. Look over there, Dad. That maintenance gate is open right now.
I am going to check that door because Leo might be there.
Stop, young lady. You cannot enter this restricted area alone right now.
Please let me look. I just want to find my little brother.
Emma, is that you? I am scared in here.
That is Leo's voice. I heard him call my name clearly.
Team, I have a potential location behind Coaster Maintenance Gate 4.
Please clear this walking path so security officers can inspect the area.
Hold on, Leo. We are coming to get you right now.
Everything will be okay, dear, but the officers are moving inside right now.
Please keep our little boy safe wherever he is right now.
Stay behind the yellow safety line while my team enters first.
Which path did our family decide to explore next?
The puddle here explains why his little backpack was completely wet before.
I was supposed to protect him because I am the big sister.
Emma, do not blame yourself. Accidents can happen very quickly in crowds.
Everyone is watching, and I just want my brother back safely.
Security team advancing down corridor B, checking every storage room carefully now.
I do not hear his voice anymore. Why did he stop talking?
Let us stay strong together, Emma, and he will be back soon.
The loud noise from the coaster makes it hard to hear anything.
Officer, did you find any more footprints inside that concrete tunnel?
We found small footprints heading toward the secondary electrical storage room.
Look up there. That is the bright red balloon Leo wanted earlier.
He must have chased that flying balloon right through the open gate.
That explains why he let go of your hand so suddenly, Emma.
We are approaching the end room. Stand by on radio channel 2.
Please let him be inside that room, safe and totally unharmed.
My heart is beating so fast while we wait for their update.
The door is opening now. Someone is stepping out into view.
Hello, everyone. Do not worry. I have your little boy right here.
Emma. Mom. Dad. I am so sorry I got lost. I got scared when the heavy door clicked shut behind me. Leo, you are safe. I was so worried about you.
I have you now, and I will never let you disappear again.
Look, Emma. I found the big red balloon under the coaster.
Oh, thank goodness you are safe and sound, my precious little boy.
We are so grateful to have you safely back in our arms, buddy.
I was inspecting the storage unit when I found him sitting quietly. He was very brave and remembered to stay right where he was.
Here is your favorite dinosaur toy, Leo. I kept it totally safe. Thank you, Emma. You are the best big sister in the world.
You did a great job staying in one place until we came.
Here is a special bravery badge for staying calm during an emergency.
Look, Mom. I am an official junior park ranger now today.
Thank you both so much for keeping our son safe and calm.
Emma, you did an amazing job asking the park security for help.
But Dad, I felt so guilty because I let go of his hand.
Being responsible does not mean you can control everything that happens around us.
It means staying brave, asking adults for help, and never giving up hope.
I understand now, Dad. Asking for help was the most important step. The crowd around us is cheering because our family is united again.
Let us keep this backpack zipped up and stay together all afternoon.
I promise I will never chase a balloon alone ever again, Emma.
And I will always hold your hand whenever we walk through crowds.
The park looks so much brighter and happier now that everyone is here.
Have a wonderful and safe day enjoying the rest of the rides. Let us all ride the giant carousel together like we planned before.
4 tickets for the magical carousel, please, for my wonderful, brave family.
Look at this white horse with golden wings, Leo. Choose that one.
Step on the stirrup carefully, Leo, and hold on to the shiny pole.
Seeing you two laughing together is the happiest moment of our trip.
The music is playing, and the ride is beginning to turn smoothly.
Whee! Look how high we are going, Emma. This is so fun. I am so happy we are riding together, Leo, safe and sound. Everything feels magical when your loved ones are right beside you today.
Smile, everyone. Let us capture this beautiful memory together right now.
This photo will always remind us of how strong our love is.
Who wants some delicious strawberry and chocolate ice cream to celebrate today?
Yay! Wow, thank you, Dad. This is my favorite flavor in the park. This sweet treat tastes extra special after our big adventure today.
We learned an important lesson about staying close and helping each other out.
Remember, if you ever get lost, stay calm and find a helper.
And always stay in one safe spot so your family can find you.
Family will always look for you, no matter what happens in life. Today was full of big emotions, but love brought us back together.
We are best friends forever, Leo, through every single adventure we take.
Stay safe, keep smiling, and always cherish the special people you love.